Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to reset a chart on TradingView app, and now let's dive right in. Now to reset a chart on TradingView app, first open up your TradingView app on your phone, and after opening your TradingView app you land on this interface where you can see the chart button at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the chart button and you land on the charts. Now in order to reset your chart, you'll be required to tap on the pen icon over here, guys. First tap on the pen icon. Now, there are two ways of resetting your chart. Either you can tap on the three dotted icon over here, and if you want the layout to be changed, then you can go through the layout setup and change your layout over here. But in order to reset your chart, just tap on the pen icon, and when you are on the tools section over here, you can see currently we're on the tool section. If you are somewhere other than the tool section, come back to the tool section and you can see the remove button over here. Tap on the three dotted icon and tap on remove all the objects over here, guys, and then your charts will be resetted and it will be clean like this. And with that being said, guys, this is how to reset your charts on TradingView app. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.